our second time through Albuquerque, we stayed at Enchanted Trails RV Park just on the west side of Albuquerque.
I'm TK.
And I'm Earl.
Let's check it out.
If you want to know what parks are like before you head out there, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Enchanted Trails is a nice, simple park. They do have some important amenities like bathrooms and showers. And there's what they call the trading post, which is a nice shop inside.
Yeah.
We didn't do any shopping there, but we checked it out.
Yeah, they had quite a bit of different memorabilia for Route 66 and even I think like some hot sauces and some salsas, and it's pretty neat in there.
This is a route we take fairly often because we do tend to head south for the winter, usually to the Arizona area. So we do pass through New Mexico, sometimes the northern, sometimes the southern route. We had our regular full hookups. I did notice looking back that we did 30 amp for some reason. Not sure why, because we usually use 50 amp for our rig, but we do have a converter. And I do remember that we had to unhook at night because it was cold.
Yeah, it did get cold.
Passed through. That was November.
Yeah, it did get down, I think, was it freezing?
I don't know,
Okay.
either way we didn't want to mess around because somebody else had some issues in the park.
Yeah, so we disconnected just to make sure that our pipes and everything were okay. But yeah, everything all turned out fine. They also had a pool, which was closed at the time because it was so cold out, but it was there too. And also towards the front of the park, there was a little hut that looked like it was for propane and maybe for service too, in case you needed something done with your RV. So pretty nice to have something like that on the park. There was a laundry room and also like a little room in the back, like kind of like for entertaining. So like different little things to do. It's pretty nice.
This time through Albuquerque was better than last time because this guy got sick. Bowser. Oh, you
Bowser
can't see him.
Pointing to me, I got sick.
He
No,
got
no.
sick. Bowser got sick on our one main day off, and that was awful. So I did almost nothing. I did visit a friend. Now this time we made sure to hit some things. So we went out to eat
At Tin Can Alley.
It's a nice place. It kind of reminds us of a shopping mall food court. Has all these different types of food. I think there's also a brewery in there, a couple drink type options as well. And we had a good time there. We got some pho.
Yep.
From Fuck Up. Is that a bad word?
Fuck up.
Phokup, I think it is.
Yeah.
They have huge servings, and it was delicious. I think did we get one and shared it?
I think so, because we also got something else.
Yes. Also from SA Barbecue, we got pulled pork nachos, which is a favorite of Earl's.
Yeah, I love pulled pork and nachos, so perfect combination. And they also had like an arcade up there too. Had some pretty cool looking games. So you had brewery, arcade, and a big food court. It's a really cool place.
Really artistic spot too.
Mm-hmm.
That was a space that was recommended by one of our friends, so please keep those recommendations coming. We also made sure to stop by a brewery. We went to Bow Arrow Brewery, which is native owned. And it was another really cute space.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't remember the name of the drinks. I had the Funk Sloth.
You did?
I did. I looked at the receipt. He likes the stouts.
And I had a Big S'mores Energy Bourbon, which is a barrel-aged imperial stout. And it was really good.
Yeah, we had a good run with breweries, I think, the past year.
Yeah. And you know we like to go on hikes, so we found Petroglyph National Monument. And I love all the really ancient stuff, like seeing the petroglyphs and everything, so that was just one of the coolest things.
Yeah, it was pretty easy to see some of the petroglyphs.
Yeah, they were right along the path.
Yeah, you just had to keep your eyes peeled.
Yeah, some were kind of out in the distance on some bigger boulders, but they did have some. They're right on the path and not you don't think you could touch them really.
No.
Not within arm's length, but definitely right along the path. So really cool.
Also part of Petroglyph National Monument is some volcanoes.
Yeah, three dormant volcanoes, I think it was.
Yeah, they're sometimes called the Three Sisters, I found out. And I think one of them was blocked off, but we were able to hike, I think, at least part way up one of the other ones.
Yeah, one of them was definitely blocked off, but then, yeah, we can go up the other ones.
There were some pretty good views. This was kind of our first taste of the Southwest as we were heading back west again. So it was pretty nice.
Around. it up. Hi. Good. Be sure to check out our other video on Albuquerque at High Desert RV Park where we stayed the first time through. So if you like knowing what parks are like ahead of time, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if there's anything in the Albuquerque area that you know about that we could include in another video, please comment below and be sure to like the video so other people can see it too. Thank you very much everybody and have a great day. Ready? Mm-hmm. Alright. Of course. Panty. Panties.
Still rolling?
Rolling.
Stop it. For comic relief.
Hey, we did it. Oh, it works. Still got it. I don't know. And we'll be
sure to help you out.
I don't know anymore. I don't know what to say anymore.